Hello guys! In this video, we are going to check out an amazing AI-powered text-to-speech tool.
Whether you want to create voiceovers, convert text into natural-sounding speech,
Whether you want to create voiceovers, convert text into natural sounding speech.
The voice which you have heard recently, which is made by the Totally AI. Yeah guys, using the powerful mind-blowing AI tool which converts the text to speech and the voice clone and the voice changer and the dubbing. So in this video we are going to explore a powerful AI tool which converts text to speech, voice clone and the voice change and dubbing, and it is an mind-blowing experience by me guys. So guys, in this video we are going to explore about that AI tool in which you can make the AI voice in free of cost. Okay, so let's explore about the AI tool. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see about the AI tool. So hey guys, welcome back to my new video on Coding Made Easy channel. So today in this video we are going to explore an AI tool which converts your text to speech, or which can dub your voice, or which can convert your voice, or it is an powerful AI tool. You can see various types of the things which he can make. So let's explore about the AI tool guys. Okay, so guys, this is an rough part using which I will tell you that what the type of the things we are going to see in this video. Okay, so first of all we are going to use an ChatGPT and ElevenLabs. These both are the AI tools which are of course free of cost. So basically we have to use the ChatGPT to make an prompt, and we have to use an ElevenLabs to generate the voice. Let's explore the AI tools. Okay, so here I came on the ChatGPT, and here you can see this type of the interface if you are using for the first time, and just sign up or login. Okay, and just give a proper prompt to it. So basically we have given a proper prompt to the ChatGPT as give a speech on study, and let's see about the prompt. Okay, this is the prompt, and just simply we have to copy the prompt, and we are going to use an AI tool which is named as ElevenLabs, and just you can see like this type of the interface when you click here ElevenLabs, and just move through the website name as www.elevenlabs.o, and just you can see like this type of interface, and just simply remove this and scroll down, and just you have to paste your prompt. So basically you have to paste here the thing which you have copied there, and here you can see. Okay, just a second, I will remove some words. Okay, so basically this is an ElevenLabs AI tool using which you can simply convert text to speech, or simply you can change the voice, or you can dub or text to SFX, or you can clone your voice. Okay, so first of all we are going to use the text to speech features. So first of all we are going to see about the text to speech feature. Okay, so basically I given a proper text and I want to convert that, and simply just hit on the play button, and here you can see the output.
today I want to talk about something that shapes our future, builds our confidence, and opens doors to countless opportunities. Study.
Here you can choose the proper country or the tone which you want, and simply you can explore the types of the things like voice changer or dubbing, or everything is free here you can see on the screen. Let's see you in the next video guys with the next part of the AI tool. If you want to know that how to generate from text to image, just simply here you can watch our text to image